Look. Tell mommy what we're gonna bring her home.
Fish.
We're gonna bring her home dinner?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
To the water.
To the water? What's in the water?
Fish.
Alright, let's go bring some fish home, dude.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Jax.
Bye.
Alright, happy YouTubers. We're back. We're going fishing with the little guy today. Say what's up.
What's up?
What are we gonna catch?
Fish.
Alright, we're gonna bring home some dinner tonight? Alright, see what we get.
Yep.
Going to the bait shop, and we're gonna drop in.
Yep.
See you guys in the water.
See you guys in the water.
You!
Yeah, you.
Alright, got the boat in the water.
Yeah.
Got little man suited up.
Yeah.
Here we go, guys. Alright, heading out from the boat ramp. Alright, so we made it to the spot. I'm gonna cut this off, retie real quick, and then we're gonna get fishing. Alright, you wanna say hi to the camera?
Yeah.
Alright, we're getting ready. Alright, good job.
Oh, they're getting away.
Using a 3/0 Mutu Circle Light. You alright?
Hi.
You alright?
Yeah.
You alright, baby?
Well, stuff gets real nightmares.
Alright, I'm gonna hook them right through underneath the crown there.
Yeah. Shrimp gets splashed in my eye. Hey, Dad. I really don't think this is a good idea to get to me. I see the shrimp, Dad. I see it, Dad. Dad, do it right there. Hey, Dad.
Alright, just lost a fish. We're gonna throw another shrimp at it.
Dad, how to wash my hands.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this, how to wash.
Got a fish. Let's get the net. He had a chaser with him too. That was cool. Good job, dude. Right in the net. Jack, you got a jack. That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, he's making noise.
He's making noise?
Uh-huh.
Alright, let's get him off the hook and take some pictures with him, okay? That was cool.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna spot lock.
Fish scrappers. Fish scrappers.
Hey.
The fish scrappers. Fish scrappers. Let's get the fish scrappers. Is it the fish scrappers can in there? Can fish scrappers in there?
Alright.
Can the fish scrappers in there? Can the fish scrappers?
Throw that over. Alright, Jack. Check it out.
Hey. Wow, so I'm gonna pinch him.
Look. Look, we're gonna let him go, okay?
I'm gonna pinch that big ball.
Close it. You gotta close it all the way if you're gonna get him. Here. You touch him. Alright, say bye, Jack.
Bye, Jack.
Alright. Here he is. Here he goes. He's making noise. Was that cool?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll get
All right, first fish on the boat. At least he's excited. Not bringing home food yet, but hey, having a good day out here.
Yeah.
Easy, Jack.
Okay.
Dang. Did I get him?
No. Did it? Yeah! Down the net!
Grab the net. Grab the net, baby.
Quick, 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 quick!
Good job, dude. Put him on the floor. Oh, look, the hook came out perfect.
Looking out perfect.
Yeah. All right. So, let's put these over here out of the way.
Is the hook gone?
Yeah, the hook came out.
The hook came down his mouth?
Yeah. Another jack. Sharp. Be careful. Those are really sharp.
Yeah.
All right, let's let him go.
We catch the 2 jacks.
Here he goes. Zoop.
Yeah, I got far. Mine's far out there. I got mine far. You got a fish! Get the net!
I got it.
You got another jack!
Yeah.
Yes! The hook didn't came off.
No, barely hooked him.
Barely hooked. We got 3 jacks!
All right.
Is he big? Is he big, Dad?
He's not very big, but. All right. Now we're gonna put him in, okay?
I want to fish grip him. About that.
You gotta clamp it down. Hold him up. Say cheese.
Cheese.
All right, you got a jack.
Okay.
You gonna let him go? Good job. Watch out for the rod.
What should I do?
Good job.
Drop him like this.
Moved to a few different spots. Managed to put a few jacks on the boat. Nothing to eat, but we're having a darn good time. Little man out there eating. Got a little float out there with the shrimp under it. See what happens. All right. Finally got a real fish. Check it out.
I want a net. I want a net. I got a jack.
Baby.
Get a jack.
That's a little snup.
Snap.
That's so cool.
Hey, poke his
Oh,
eyes.
little baby snuck. Don't poke his eyes. All right. Let's say goodbye to him. We're gonna release him. Okay.
We're getting his pictures off, Dad. Dad, getting his pictures off.
Dang it.
Dang it. You're fighting a bird.
Yeah, this is not what we want. Totally not what we want.
No.
All right, Jack, you want to get the net?
Yeah.
Come here, babe.
It's okay with the birdie. Birdie's okay. Birdie's okay.
Give me the pliers.
Okay. So birded.
Alright. Yeah, he hurt his neck a little bit because he got hooked, but
Yeah, we're sorry. We're very sorry.
say sorry to Birdie.
Yeah.
He's over there. He's recovering. He won't touch my shrimp again though.
No. Yeah, you can just hook him.
Alright, here's your pliers, buddy. There he goes. Flying off. Alright, nice back. All we got was 3 jacks, a snook and a bird. But hey, darn good day. Out with this little man. Alright, see you guys back in the house. What's up?
Strap to the pelican?
Yeah, we can. You wanna hold the camera?
Yep.
Hold the camera. Alright, let me dock the boat and then we'll feed him, okay?
Okay.
Watch this. Over here. Alright, there he is. You gotta feed him one at a time. Take one at a time out and feed him. Alright. No, one at a time. Take him one at a time. See one. Is this the best part of the day? So we get back to the dock and this is all he wants to do is feed the pelicans and the shrimp. Hey. Have a good day?
Yeah. I'm going to buy our pool.
Okay.
I'm so dirty.
Got new friends on the boat? Back at the house, time to unload. See you guys next time.